Given the success of its predecessor, the Student Council is on the verge of a new beginning, with new reforms, strategies, and policies being brought to the table. With only a few days away from the elections, candidates are pulling out all stops to try and get ahead of their campaign. The atmosphere was filled with excitement and passion as students representing the top 5 council positions argued their case.
A group of students or a school, let's say, and you will be in charge of them, and the students can come to you.
They have done a lot of work. I get to speak here because of the work they've done, just as ma'am said. I'm not taking credit away from them. I'm just saying
With the emergence of a new term within the council, election fever is at its peak. Students from all departments try their best to secure their position and convince a demanding audience.
There are a lot of people who have been attending, and those who have been, they felt part like, I can dance.
Last year, I didn't even know that corps existed. No shame to my predecessor.
Rather than just waiting for months for a cultural event to take place.
The candidates go through an intense cross-questioning round with the students.
Because there are many things that happen in the media department that the engineering department doesn't know about, and vice versa. So how will you make sure as a president that that works and that works well?
We'll always say, I want to unite the student body. I want to unite the student body. That's what Monica asked, that how will you unite all of the different departments? That's an idea, and that's what we have been working on for the past year.
Being the essential reason behind the formation of the council, what they expect. This is what the students themselves have to say.
Well, I think they should give more importance to the international students as a whole.
See, in a council member, the main quality should be he should be able to lead the council.
They should not be so restricted. There shouldn't be so much red tape for them to do events, to host things in the campus, to change something about the campus. It should be a little more free. It shouldn't be so restricted for them.
I question the way it's selected. I question the way it's, you can say, organized. And I question the way the outcomes are put forward. See, I think CGPA is an important aspect, but it's not the only aspect. And in many cases, CGPA is the reason why people are being thrown out of the elections, which is not fair. I don't think academics has anything to do with leadership.
Playing a major role in the election process, the faculty from various departments have given a lot of thought into what truly makes a student council material.
Now, to be a part of the student council, I think the most important quality is to be selfless. Okay, so a student should be able to handle their problems or their academics, their cultural activities, as well as make it possible for others to grow. And for a university, a school, or an institute, the biggest stakeholder is the student. And it's important that the voice of the students are heard.
So I think student council is extremely important for a university because it gives the students or the body of students who are the representatives a sense of commitment towards issues of students. And I think all 1,500 or 2,000 students in a campus cannot be vocal about what their issues are, but they can do it through their representatives. So council becomes an excellent medium for that.
We have very strict criteria for nomination here. One is that the student needs to have a CGPA of 8 and above. Second, he or she should have an attendance of 80%. And he or she should not have any disciplinary charges against him ever in the institute.
The second round of the council has brought together candidates chosen by students who believe can make a difference. The nominees give us a little taste of what is to come.
The communication gap between the student and the council and the organization body has to be bridged.
Discipline. That is the biggest thing. That is going to be our main criteria this year, at least of the student council, not only the discipline in charges, but each and every one.
Being a part of the first ever student council, last year's members remind us of the big shoes that have to be filled.
I can see a lot of nominees, promising nominees. But the thing is, somewhere along the line, they forget that it's actual work that they have to get committed to.
Because it's important that everyone's good friends with each other and having the same goal in mind. I think that would work well.
If not me, I would like to go for Jinu.
Dhruv Verma.
Can I just not opt to answer this?
Swapnesh, of course.
With the campaigning finally coming to an end, the voting process is in full swing. Students from all departments are coming to cast their votes. As we move closer to finding out who's got what it takes to be a part of the Student Council, the excitement is almost uncontrollable. With camera person Madhumita Raghavan, this is Savannah Christie reporting for Manipal Dubai TV.